Welcome to today's channel, and let's start today with new video. Here we can see there is a red light, and close of this exit was the driver who didn't respect traffic light. Definitely. Also we can see the place where this accident happened. Everything is here so obvious because this driver didn't respect or didn't pay attention to the other cars or just run on the street.
Wow! You're on fucking dash cam, bitch.
Everything is said, so nothing needs to say. Here we can see that every car going to the left just stop for a second to see if any other car from this opposite direction. And this genius didn't stop at all and caused the accident. On this or the next 3 videos, dashcam actually shows us redundance. Second one, and the last one. Not so polite words. Pay attention to the red car and also the silver car on the right side. He tried to change the lane and luckily nothing was happened. Pay attention to the white car on the right side. He totally didn't look at all, just on the change lane. On this video you're going to see that the speed limit is 55 and we're going to see other cars who are going more than is allowed. This video shows that we all the time need to pay attention. Luckily nothing happened. And here we can see car on the right side. And this guy just take over him and nothing was happened again, luckily. Thank you for watching my channel and see you on the next video.